No, I think we're playing great. I think we're sticking to, you know, our process, and yeah, you don't want guys getting hit in the wrist. And we've had a bunch of that this year. I think throughout the league, guys have been getting hit, you know, in a bad spot. It's funny, we've talked about, you know, the Evo Shield made something that, you know, kind of guard, you know, almost like a shin guard, but for the back wrist. Yeah, I mean, guys getting banged up is not ideal, right? You know, you got to move forward. And,
as a picture,
despite where we are, I think you know, we have a brighter future out of this.
As a picture of yourself, you know, though, you still have to pitch inside. I mean, that.
Right. Just because you're hitting guys and our guys getting hit, you know, that's part of the game. You know, I think we've had some bad luck again with that on the offensive side, and on the pitching side, we've had some bad luck, and you know, not just myself, but you know, with